So here we're showing the 10 by 12 Easy Fit Heritage shed kit. Includes a 24 by 36 window on the end, as well as a 30 by 36 window on the front. Includes 2 sets of shutters. We're showing the optional flower box on this particular model. We've got the 60-inch double doors. Transom windows are included. American-made lock set is included, as well as the 12-inch decorative hinges. And we'll go ahead and take a look on the inside, featuring the panelized wall construction. Wall panels are 4 feet in width. Makes for super easy construction. Panels are clearly marked to show where the assembly is. We also have an optional loft on this building, 4 feet deep. Loft is optional. Roof trusses are 24 inches on center. And again, this is a 10 by 12 Easy Fit Heritage.